Do you want to learn highlighting text like a pro in Camtasia? You're in the right place. Hey everyone, welcome to Video Tools Lab. Let's get started. First, move the playhead on the timeline to where you want the text highlighting to begin. Next, head over to Annotations. Then, open the Blur and Highlight tab. Click and drag the highlight effect onto the timeline, placing it on the track above your media, and snap it to the playhead. Let's preview it. Perfect. Now, adjust the position and size of the highlight so it neatly covers the text you want to emphasize. Next, we'll add a custom animation to the highlight. Once the animation is added, place the playhead at the start of the animation, then resize the highlight down until it's invisible. Let's play it back. That's a bit fast. No worries, just slow it down by increasing the duration of the animation. Let's check again. Perfect. If you want to highlight a second line of text, simply move the playhead to the end of the first highlights animation, add another highlight, and repeat the same steps. Preview the second highlight, and it looks great. Adjust the duration of each highlight as needed, and that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. More awesome videos are coming your way. Bye!